Hello everyone, today is November 30th, it is a Thursday, 9:51 a.m. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Wars. Let's take a look at the markets. Today we're seeing a slight pullback. Bitcoin is to 9,200. I got a haircut if you can tell. So it's kind of normal volatility we're seeing. It went all the way on Poloniex all the way to 1130, 11. God, it's hard to even say all those numbers nowadays. 11,300 it went to, and now it's corrected back. But there's so many people underneath it that want to buy it. I just got my hair cut, and my barber was like, I'm really interested in this. I really want to I'm thinking about getting involved. People are talking about it and this and that, and people just are starting to get it. Starting to see why it's valuable and why it continues to grow, why it's kind of this exponential curve. And, before there's a lot of skepticism, as there should be. And, today even there's a 20%, decrease, and it could continue. It could get slashed 50% from 11,000 down to 6,000 or 7,500. But there's so much support at this point. So many people are looking to buy. Like, they're just waiting underneath it, right? There's so much to catch the fall that, I think we're going to see after this dip, it could run. I think year two, you're going to see the altcoins actually pick up after this dip, because what's going to happen is people just like to chase rising prices, right? So all the noobs were into Bitcoin because it just kept rising, kept rising, kept rising. Now that we've seen a little bit of correction, a little bit of a pullback, you could see more experienced users start to flood into altcoins, which are oversold at this point. And as those start to rise, you'll see like sort of a snowball effect as the noobs look to chase the rising prices, because that's what noobs do. They chase the rising prices. They don't care about, if it's on sale, you think you'd be, when people, like Black Friday sale, right? On Black Friday, you couldn't even drive near malls or whatever because there's so much traffic. I remember I was going to go into Walmart to just get goods, and I turned around because the amount of people that were flooding into Walmart on freaking Black Friday was ridiculous. It's kind of disgusting. And honestly, the irony of Black Friday is like, oh, save 60% off, 75% off. It's like, dude, save 100% off by staying in your home. They encourage you to spend your money. It's like, it's just retarded. I'm not going to get into that, but so yeah. And talking about buying shit you don't need, that's a whole nother subject. But talking about where we are. Oh, PEERCOIN, that's what I was going to talk about. Damn. Well, you guys saw the PEERCOIN. I've been telling you about that. That's been doing pretty good, right? Lucked out with that, and I just have to be thankful for that type of I don't know. It's down a lot today, obviously, because Bitcoin saw a price decrease, and it sold off a little bit, but it touched all the way to $4.40. And I was recommending it a couple weeks ago at about $1.50, and even before that, a month ago at a dollar. So the currency coins hold a lot of value. I think people are starting to see that over some of the more company-like coins. Companies that more are attached to like some sort of company outlook. So although it's seen a sharp decrease today, I mean, it was, it's just because it's going down with Bitcoin too. And what I expect is what you're seeing right now too is a sell-off with Bitcoin in the alts, and you will see it, but you're going to see it bounce eventually. And once that happens, I think a lot's going to flood into the alts because it's just one of those things where it correlates. They push and pull and correlate at the same time. So interesting times we live in. The Dow keeps going up. I think, let's see what the Dow is at today. Dow's up 100 points again. Another day in the life. I mean, it's like skyrocketing. I think after Christmas, you're going to see, going up into Christmas and into the holidays, you're going to see like stock prices skyrocket. Bitcoin, skyrocket. Gold and silver might get slammed. But then coming 2018, you might see a correction in the crypto markets. You might see a correction in the indexes because once the commodities, see, it's not that crypto is going to be overvalued at that point, but the commodity sector is going to be so suppressed from all this crypto speculation because people that are usually speculating on things like gold and silver are speculating on crypto instead. So it's really pushing the price of it down, and it's really undervalued. So I think you're going to see, at least mid-2018, some sort of shift into the commodity sector. So crypto is definitely the place to be in right now, I'd say, but it's going to happen real fast where newbies jump on and they're dumping their money in it. And then, hedge funds are starting to pull out a little bit and moving into junior miners and things like that, which I plan on doing too. I think we're going to get one last run up for 2018 and then beginning of 2018, end of 2017, and then we'll see a pullback. So, yeah, that's the news I got. Stay humble, stay vigilant. Peace.